All right, hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Scotch laminator. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so of course the first thing you want to do is make sure it's plugged in, of course. And then to turn it on, there's a little switch back here. Turn that on. And you want to give this thing some time to warm up. It should take a couple of minutes. In the meantime, you should also have like whatever paper you want to laminate, you want to have that ready. And you also want this as well. These are the laminated sheets, or the laminating sheets. And it's gonna look like this, and it's gonna like open up like that. So while this is warming up, take your piece of paper and put it inside of here. Try to get it as centered as you can. You probably won't get it 100% correct, but just do it to make sure that there's a little bit of like plastic on the edges of the entire piece of paper. That's going to be important so that this thing laminates properly. Okay, so we're going to wait for this thing to get ready, and you'll know it's ready when this text right here, this ready text, flashes blue. So when it flashes blue, this thing will be ready to go. All right, as you can see, the blue light is flashing, so it is ready to go. All right, so we're ready to do this, and it'll do it automatically. So you want to put it in this end first, the opposite side of the one that opens up. And you're just going to insert it here, and try to make sure it's straight. There we go, it's gonna do it automatically. It's gonna do it really slow. All right, there we go, just like that. Now do be careful when touching this, because it can be a bit hot. Do keep in mind that sometimes you might need to do this a second time. Just insert it back in and do it again. But in this case, looks like it did it perfectly. So yeah, that was quite easy. All right, and that's how you use the laminator.